Michael from CTW Automation here, and now that you've got your dyno set up and you've got your laptop going, and hopefully you have one or two big screens so you can really see all the information nicely and easily, we need to work on how to set up tests, what you want to test, and all the right procedures. Now, the most important thing, and this we go through training everybody we've talked about for the last 30 years, is trying to be consistent. Here's the biggest thing. You dyno a shock today, it goes to the racetrack, it gets used, you make adjustments. 6 months later, you dyno it again. If it's different, you need to know why. If you're not consistent on how you test it, how do you know the damper changed or the dyno changed for some reason? Or it's just the way you installed it. So, a shock is primarily velocity dependent. There's some temperature at play as it gets hotter. If you have a gas chamber, that starts to change. If you preload your shock, preloading it the same way if you're running the same stroke. So the most important thing is being consistent. You want to run the same test, you want to load it in the dyno exactly the same way, you want to preload the same, you want to warm it up the same way, so that, again, I'll keep using this phrase as we go through these, 6 months from now, if there's a difference, you want to say the shock changed, I need to change the seals, the O-ring bands, the oil, I need to change something because I know I did it the same way 6 months ago, and I have to make it right. I have to get back to where I was. If you're inconsistent, if every user that comes up here does something different, in 6 months you have no way to know or understand why it's different. Why to change? I don't know, but you have to know that. And that's why you got to be consistent. And that's part of this process we're going through here, is to get you in the right mindset so you're always doing it the same way. That way, in the future, things that look different are real. There you go. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, contact us using the information in the video description.